A very good morning to all. I am Garima Saryal, your EVS teacher, and today we are continuing our chapter Monuments of India. So students, in this chapter we have studied about a lot of monuments of our country like Taj Mahal, Hawa Mahal, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Sun Temple, Meenakshi Temple, etc. So today we will study about some more historical monuments of our country. So let's start. So first monument which we are studying today is Sanchi Stupa. So students, there are a lot of stupas in the state of Madhya Pradesh. But Sanchi Stupa is a very famous stupa at Sanchi in Madhya Pradesh. It was built by Ashoka the Great and it is known for its spectacular gateways and pillars carved out of rock and polished like metal. There are a lot of decoration in the walls of this stupa also, like design of animals, flowers, birds. So this is a very famous stupa in Sanchi, Madhya Pradesh, and a lot of tourists visit here every year. So next monument is Victoria Memorial. Victoria Memorial is in Kolkata. It was built in the honor of Queen Victoria. It is made out of white marbles and it is a very famous tourist spot. Its museums and its architectural beauty make it a very famous tourist spot. So next monument is Gateway of India. The Gateway of India is in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and it was built to commemorate the visit of the British King George V and Queen Mary to India in 1911. So the Gateway of India was built to celebrate the visit of British King George V and Queen Mary to India in 1911. During the rule of the British government, this was used as the arrival point for the visitors from the west. So during the British rule in our country, they used the Gateway of India for the arrival of those guests who come from the west. So next monument is Caves of Ajanta and Ellora. So the caves of Ajanta and Ellora are in Aurangabad, and these are very famous Buddhist relics. The walls of the caves are also covered with the painting of Lord Buddha. So Ellora caves are Hindu, Buddhist and Jain rock cut temples, and the most famous temple here is the Kailash temple, which built out of a single rock. It is a very great thing that Kailash temple, a very famous Kailash temple is here, which is made out of a single rock. So we have studied a lot of monuments in this chapter. Now we will study about that how can we care of these old historical monuments. So first is, do not write on walls or any parts of the monuments. If we write anything on the walls or any part of the monument, it will make them look dirty. Keep the monuments clean and so not throw garbage in and around it. Keep the monuments clean, do not throw any garbage. If you have any kind of packets, wrappers, throw them in the dustbin, but do not throw them here and there around the monument. Follow the rules and directions. Follow the rules and directions which you have given or which it has been written somewhere. Okay. Do not touch everything. Do not touch everything because these old things are very sensitive. Okay. Do not make noise. If you make noise, then the vibration of the noise can also affect these monuments. Do not click picture, especially with a camera. Flash it is not allowed. If you have given some instructions that you cannot click any picture in the monuments, so please follow it and do not take any camera or do not click the picture in the monuments, because even a very single thing can affect these monuments because these are very old and these are very sensitive. So students, in this chapter we have studied about a lot of historical monuments of our country. It's our duty to preserve all those monuments. So I hope you understand everything for today. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.